Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots to open the menu. Choose Settings and then select Chats to open chat options. Find Media Visibility and toggle it off to stop new photos saving to your gallery. For specific chats, open the chat, tap the three dots, choose View Contact or Group Info. Toggle Media Visibility off for that chat to prevent its media from appearing in your gallery. If media already saved, use your phone file manager to delete or hide it with a No Media file. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap Settings at the bottom right. Choose Chats and locate Save to Camera Roll to stop automatic saving. Toggle Save to Camera Roll off to prevent new media from appearing in the Photos app. For a single chat, open the chat, tap the contact or group name, then disable Save to Camera Roll for that conversation. If you need extra control, use iOS Settings, then Photos, to restrict WhatsApp access to your camera roll. Open WhatsApp Settings and go to Storage and Data to manage auto-download behavior. Under Media, auto-download disable photos, audio, videos, and documents for using mobile data and Wi-Fi. This prevents unwanted media from downloading automatically and reduces storage use. To clear existing files, open Settings, then Storage and Data, and choose Manage Storage to review large files. Delete media you do not want to keep and free space on your device. Backup chats to Google Drive or iCloud before deleting media if you want to retain records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.